Strawberry shortcake! Happy birthday to you!
This was the best breakfast I ever had in Paris. We got the cookie hazelnut and raspberry croissant, and the cookie croissant was by far the best one. We also visited Bourse, and this building was originally used for trade and commerce, but now it's a contemporary art museum.
Was war das denn jetzt? Munakano.
Yes, we are at
A spot juice because I walk so many steps. You know?
We deserve this.
Yeah.
Kleine Pause. I would definitely recommend to go on a boat tour to see all the sightseeing attractions, which what we are doing right now, especially at night. But at night there will be such a long queue, so be ready to prepare yourself. How are you?
I'm fine, and you?
I'm also fine.
Juckt nicht.
Ich hab die vergessen, ich hab die schwarze vergessen.
Warum bist du hier so fummelig aus?
Weiß ich nicht.
Voll süß.
Ja, deswegen.
Ja,
Mal sagen, was du willst.
genau.
Warte mal, wir gucken den Jengis an. Zeig mal, worauf du tippst.
Wow, worauf ich tippe. Ich habe irgendwie das Gefühl, dass ich den Cheap oder den Cat bekomme.
Okay.
Und
Interessant.
du?
Ich habe das Gefühl, ich kriege entweder Popcorn, weil du das gesagt hast,
Ah, ja.
oder Ice Cream, weil ich liebe Eis.
Okay, los geht's.
Okay.
Ja.
Hey, warte.
Werbung.
Mal die Folie auf.
Mach von unten. So, und dann kannst du
So, da ist das.
Genau.
So.
Da ist noch eine Tüte drin. Ja, Unboxing. Jenke weiß, wie es geht.
Ich weiß ja nicht, wie die aussehen, von daher.
Ich weiß auch nicht, was das sein könnte.
Ist das richtig rum oder falsch rum?
Falsch rum. Nein. Welche ist das?
Welche ist das?
Cat, wolltest du nicht Cat? Oder
ich wollte
Fuchs?
nicht Cat. Ich habe gesagt, entweder der, ich habe das Gefühl, Cat ist drin oder...
Ist es Cat?
Ist das der vielleicht?
Ich
Ah,
glaube,
das
das
ist
ist der. Ja, das ist der
Das ist Shiba Inu.
Ist es japanisch, ne?
Ja, ich weiß aber nicht, was das für ein Tier ist.
Ja. Wir gucken nicht. Welchen ist das? Ah, okay.
Strawberry Shortcake! Der ist voll süß!
Wolltest du den?
Ich habe mir den auch angeguckt, ja.
Wolltest du den?
Ja, der ist süß.
Sehr gut.
Ach so. Scheiße.
Hello, friends.
Hello, we are at Sacré-Cœur.
In the line.
We are standing in the queue, yes.
In the queue, yes, of course.
Of course. Burak abi und Jenge hatten keinen Bock.
Ja, aber weil es denen schlecht geht. Ja, das Dokundo yemek. Und yeah, that's the line. Wait. The sun is hitting my face.
Sun
Interesting. Yeah, und wir haben hier einen Flug. Explain myself.
While we were in Sacré-Cœur, there was suddenly a little boy who was holding the hands of my sister because he thought that my sister was his mom.
Komm mit dir?
Nein.
Nein, das ist
We're going to get dinner now. It was our last full day in Paris, and it is also my last day as a 16 years old. Tomorrow's my birthday, and tomorrow we will have breakfast in Paris and then head to Versailles to the chateau, of course. And yes, that will be our plan for tomorrow and also for today. After dinner we will just head home. And my sister also bought me the book Le Petit Prince. I always wanted to read it in the original language, so I finally bought it. Good morning, you guys. Today's our last day in France and it's also my birthday. My sister bought me those Sony angels 2 days ago. It's the cherry blossom limited edition and also the happy birthday edition, which I'm going to be opening today. I actually wanted to open it 2 days ago, but because this is like a happy birthday edition, I waited till my birthday. And then I also bought like a chain where you can put the Sony angel in, and I'm going to be opening this one first. Yesterday we pulled the Shiba Inu, but I don't know which one I want. Like the monkey is kind of cute, but also the fawn and the reindeer and also the rabbit. Actually, I'm fine with every single one of them, but I don't want the Shiba Inu twice, so I hope I pull another one. Okay, it doesn't have any holes. Let's see. It's the dog, I think, right? Yes, it's a dog. He's so cute. Oh my gosh. Look at this. He's so cute. Okay, at least I pulled one green one and also a pink one that made me really happy. Now for the happy birthday edition, we have these. I really want the raspberry, mint, lemon or blueberry cake. So one of these 4, but those 2 are also cute. I just want something more colorful. Okay. Oh my gosh, it's already open. It's the white one, but why was it already open? But this one is also cute. I just hoped for something more colorful. It's a strawberry cake. We drove about an hour from Paris to Versailles, and I think it was even less than an hour, but I literally fell in love with the architecture, and we even spent about 4 hours inside the chateau.
Oh yeah.
The French Revolution is a topic we talked about in school like a million times, and I have so much knowledge on it. It's actually crazy. But finally seeing all the portraits in real life that before I have only seen from a school book was truly an amazing experience to me, and I would definitely recommend to everyone to visit the Château of Versailles when visiting Paris as well. It's a must. We found a place to sit at the Garden of Versailles because my sister and my sister-in-law bought me a cake the same morning of my birthday, and this is truly a birthday I will never forget. My cake was also super delicious. It had a mango and passion fruit filling.
Oh, ist windig. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, liebe Eslem. Happy birthday to you.
Oldu mu?